Now comes the wounds that we are going to have if we don't prepare well in the upcoming NEET PG exam. What is the golden period for the open wounds? Come on, doctor, punch your answer. आपका numbers कितना perfect है आपका numbers? Please shoot your answer. Let me know who is going to be correct, who is going to be wrong. बाबूजी अपना तोते को लाओ, तोते कहाँ खड़े होगा? ए के पास, बी के पास, सी के पास, डी के पास. The single liner questions, doctor, they will screw your piece. Come on, shoot your answer, doctor. रुचि का तोता 12 पर रुक गया. Vishnu Dharmapuri proposes 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Yes, absolutely right. Gold मिल गया, जो भी 6 बोल दिया, बढ़िया. Wounds treated within 6 to 8 hours are called golden period because bacteria have not yet multiplied to critical numbers. Contusion क्या होता है? No break in the skin is called contusion. This is the contusion. Only blood is accumulated in the subcutaneous tissues. There is no cut, right? No break in the skin. Which wound does not involve the dermis, doctor? Abrasion does not involve the dermis. So abrasion, contusion, laceration, incision, burn and bite. That's how you divide. Contusion is hematoma. There is a rupture of a small blood vessel leading to extravasation of the blood into the tissues. Laceration means discontinuity of the skin resulting from a tangential impact. Incision means there is an opening of the skin by a cutting instrument. It leaves opposed edges, just like surgical incision.